हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू दिस चैनल। तो आज मैं आपको बताने वाली हूँ 50 बेसिक एंड एडवांस इंग्लिश सेंटेंसेस। वैसे तो हम सभी बेसिक इंग्लिश का यूज़ करते हैं, लेकिन एडवांस वोकेबलरी यूज़ करके हम अपनी इंग्लिश साउंडिंग को और भी ज़्यादा स्मार्टर और प्रोफेशनल बना सकते हैं। तो आप इन बेसिक वर्ड्स को रिप्लेस करके एडवांस ऑल्टरनेटिव यूज़ करें और अपनी इंग्लिश को अपग्रेड करें नेक्स्ट लेवल पे। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं आज की वीडियो। पहला सेंटेंस है, कैन यू हेल्प मी विथ माई होमवर्क? एडवांस्ड, कैन यू असिस्ट मी विथ माई होमवर्क? Next, I want to ask you a question. Advanced, I want to inquire about something. Can you show me how to do this? Advanced, can you demonstrate how this is done? We should use this tool. Advanced, we should utilize this tool. The program will start soon. The program will commence shortly. Please tell me the truth. Advanced, please inform me of the truth. I will buy a new phone. Advanced, I will purchase a new phone. Check the details before you sign. Advanced, verify the details before you sign. I need some time to think. Advanced, I require some time to think. Let's finish our work quickly. Advanced, let's conclude our work promptly. I want to get some information. Advanced, I want to obtain more information. Please call the waiter. Advanced, please summon the waiter. We must pay the workers on time. Advanced, we must remunerate the workers promptly. The event will begin at 6 p.m. Advanced, the event will initiate at 6 p.m. She will eat lunch later. Advanced, she will consume lunch later. They will make a new plan. Advanced, they will fabricate a new plan. He needs time to think. Advanced, he needs time to contemplate. They will change the design. Advanced, they will transform the design. We should end the meeting now. Advanced, we should terminate the meeting now. Please give me your pen. Advanced, please bestow your pen upon me. I am going to meet my teacher. Advanced, I am going to encounter my teacher. I hate dishonest people. Advanced, I despise dishonest people. We should keep old traditions. Advanced, we should preserve old traditions. I want to win the match. Advanced, I want to prevail in the match. I can guess the answer. Advanced, I can speculate the answer. Please ask for more time. Advanced, please request more time. I want to find the truth. Advanced, I want to discover the truth. We will build a new house. Advanced, we will construct a new house. He didn't show up for the meeting. Advanced, he didn't appear at the meeting. Bring your notebook tomorrow. Advanced, convey your notebook tomorrow. I am working on a new project. Advanced, I am devoting myself to a new project. Can you do it again? Advanced, can you reiterate it? Please check the report again. Advanced, please reassess the report. We will leave soon. Advanced, we will depart shortly. Look at this photo. Advanced, examine this photograph. Stop talking now. Advanced, cease speaking immediately. I will say no to his offer. Advanced, I will decline his offer. She said yes to the proposal. Advanced, she consented to the proposal. Please help out the new student. Advanced, please facilitate the new student. We badly need this machine. Advanced, we necessitate this machine. Please go on with your story. Advanced, please proceed with your story. We have to deal with this problem. Advanced, we have to handle this problem. We need to talk about the issue. Advanced, we need to discuss the issue. Can you explain the topic? Advanced, can you elucidate this topic? Show clearly how it works. Advanced, illustrate how it works. Take your books. Advanced, retrieve your books. Think over your decision carefully. Advanced, ponder your decision carefully. Speed up the process. Advanced, accelerate the process. Slow down while driving. Advanced, decelerate while driving. We should make this system better. We should ameliorate this system. तो ये थे आज के 50 बेसिक एंड एडवांस इंग्लिश सेंटेंसेस. इफ़ यू फाइंड दिस वीडियो हेल्पफुल, प्लीज़ लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.